So now in this video we're going to look at the diode OR gate. We're using it to control whether the LED is on or off. I meant to start off with it being off right there, but we'll just keep rolling with this. So in any case, both of the jumpers are to ground right now. LED is off because it's also connected ground. Now that's the negative side of the power supply. I'm just using one power supply here just as the demonstration. A lot of times with the diode OR gate, there's two separate power supplies, maybe two batteries or something. You need to put the negative side to the ground side of the load right there of all the power supplies. The positive side is just floating until you flip a switch, in this case to the positive supply. Then one could provide power, the other could provide power. You could even set it to where they both provide power. Probably not equally, but you know, they both can. So there we go, positive supply, the LED is on. I kind of explained why already. Positive supply there, and we can go positive on them both. Now the diodes are very important right there. So gray band to the right there, gray band to the right there, that's the cathode where you see the band. So right now this one's to the positive supply. Let's put this one to the negative supply. If we had this jumper just going to where that diode connects instead of having that diode in the way, we would have a short circuit right now. We got positive, it can go through that diode, but if this connects to ground directly to there, that would be a short circuit to ground. So that's the blocking diode right now. This one's stopping current from going that way, creating a short circuit. And so same thing if we go the other way, right there. That one's positive, that one's negative, positive there. So current flow through there, but this one's the blocking diode. It will not go to ground there. It can only go through ground through the load right there, which is a protective resistor and an LED. So again, I'm just using one power supply right here. I've done earlier videos where I had two separate power supplies that could provide power to a load, and you know, that works in case one fails or something. You got the backup, but you have to make sure that you know, for a lot of power supplies anyways, that the one can't flow into the other. And so that's really about it for this video. You'll see the diode OR gate here or there. So I'll get closer to the schematic right there. We got the diode OR gate, as I said before, and so we need the diodes because we're using a power supply to power the load. They're not signals. So the OR gates where you just use signals, there's inputs that look at the voltage on there. It doesn't you know, affect the load other than whether the load is powered or not. Here we actually are providing power with our inputs, so we're going to need diodes to make sure the power from one input doesn't go to the other. Short circuit there. So again, this side has to be more positive, that side more negative for current to flow through. Same with that one. That gets more positive, it won't flow, compared to that side being more negative. Hopefully that makes sense. Has to go through the load. And of course the short lead of the LED, the cathode is the bar there, long lead the anode over there. Got to put the LED in the right way for it to light up. 220 ohms is protecting the LED from 5 volts, although these diodes are going to drop about 0.7 volts. So in any case, that's about it for this video. I see this from time to time, so it's important to know. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I'm posting to the screen, and check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.